You have a stinky sink, like maybe every time you turn on your water, you start smelling something a little off. Like it's kind of nasty, it's kind of gross, it smells gross. Well, today I'm going to share with you how we're going to remove all of those smells that are stinking. We're going to remove gunk from our drain. Now, I have made a video before on how to remove that stink from your drain. I'm also going to link that down below. That method works really good, but if you're looking for something that's just a little bit more of a deep clean and let's get all that nasty gross stuff out, let me show you how we're going to get rid of all that nasty grime and stink. Now, depending on what drain you have, it's going to depend on a few things. So we're first going to be removing this right here. Now make sure this is super duper clean, because like in the center right there, you can see those little crevices. Junk can accumulate and this can smell. So either take your scrub brush and wash that, or even put that through the dishwasher. That's going to help that smell as well. This is my drain in the kitchen right here. And as you can see, we don't have it like fully open. It's one of these. We don't have a garbage disposal where we live, so this is what I'm dealing with, and it just smells. Now I'm going to go ahead and link all the products that I'm using down below, but this is what we're going to be using today to clean all that grime and junk that just doesn't go away with normal cleaning solution. Now we've got 3 sizes in this pack that I have here. I'm actually gonna try and use this one first, and these are pretty cool. They got these little scrubbers, and I think this is gonna do the job. Now, depending on the size of your drain, it's gonna depend on which size you're going to use. Like this one would definitely work in my bathroom just because the drain hole is a little bit bigger, and you even have this little size here. So we're going to start off with this one, and actually it's got 2 different sizes. I'm actually a little afraid of what we're going to be getting out of this drain here, but yeah, it definitely does smell. Look how long this is. So this is going to reach really far down, and all we're going to do is take our little brush and we're going to stick it down in there, and basically what we're going to be doing is scrubbing all the sides in the drain. Let's see what we can find. I'm a little scared to see what all we get down there, and then you're just gonna see what size is gonna fit best. Let me switch hands. I'm gonna actually start with this smaller one because the last thing I want to do is get it stuck. But let's go ahead and just, yeah, see that one's fitting really good, real easy, and I know it's not going to get stuck. So we just, I guess we just push it all down there, and we're just going to kind of scrub. Oh, look at that, guys. Do you see that? That's disgusting, but that is what's making your drain smell. And sometimes no matter what you use, like drain cleaners, it doesn't always get it. You just got to really scrub it. So I'm just going to continue kind of doing that. Oh, that's so gross. I can even smell it. That's disgusting. Yeah, it's like slime and ugh. So here is the big one right here, and it's fitting really good. Start with the small one and then increase. And look at that. It just keeps going down. So you're getting way deep in that drain and cleaning it all out. Oh, wow. Okay. I'm interested to see what's in my drain. Okay. Ooh, it feels a little heavy. Oh, not too bad, guys. So really a lot of that stuff was like caught at the front here. And you might actually want to put some gloves on for this. So I'm definitely going to get my gloves and finish doing the job. Now, again, make sure that you're using the right size for your drain, because I think that's going to make a big difference. Get it clean. I think the worst thing is turning on that water and it smells, it's disgusting. I'm not going to call a plumber out either, because that costs so much money, and you can do it easy at home. And again, I have that product that I use down below, and after you've done cleaning it, you can also take that method that I was telling you before that I have linked down below and just give it a nice clean disinfectant. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and if you'd like to see another video, click on the video link right here, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!